So we need to log into the Teachable first. So using this uh, link that has been sent to you, so that is having the 18 days 2. So that is what I logged in now, just now. So this is coming, this is the main page that you will get once you log in. So, and you need to go to, don't click this one, whatever is coming on the page, go to the all courses and then select the one that is coming, understanding Gita in 18 days, English batch 8. So this is important. So you have to select this batch 8 and you should see this free course. It is a free course. So you have to select this one, batch 8. Once you click on the batch 8, so the what resolution has been told for those who are not able to navigate after the chapter 2. Chapter 2 is they need to click on the enroll now. After coming to this page, they should click on the enroll now and you should enroll it again. Enroll yourself again and then you can start the quiz. That is what, that is the resolution that has been told. So once you click enroll now, you will get all the chapters now. So as you see here, you'll be getting all the chapters and you can start one by one. So this is a resolution told Mataji. So I think this is what the problem is with other persons. So they are not clicking the enroll now, I think. After coming here, they need to select the batch 8 and then click on the enroll now.
Prabhuji, please ask them.
So is the question answered? So I'll show you for one chapter how I'll do. So we have to, when I select this chapter 1, you come get this page and then you scroll down. You scroll down. So this is completed for me. So I go to chapter 2. So here, here sometimes it is coming like this. So what we used to do last session also, we have told we have to go to here tools and then clear browsing data. So clear browsing data, this is rectifying all these errors. So now when I come back again, I'm able to log in now. That is the resolution that has been given. See, now it is coming. Chapter 2 is coming. You see, right? I didn't do anything else. I just click the clear browsing data, and now I'll start selecting the answer. So just like this. So we need to complete the quiz, and then on the top, on the top, complete and continue.
Yes,
you have to
Prabhu,
click.
just one second. Prabhu, I'm on the laptop. I'm doing it.